Hey Dino, what are we gonna do with this?
We can cook it.
How?
Cacio.
Very good. The ingredients for stuffed artichokes are fresh artichokes, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, grated pecorino, salt, black pepper, parsley, basil, breadcrumbs, Parmigiano Reggiano, and eggs. All right, now we're gonna be stuffing the artichoke. First, we're gonna be using the stem. We peel the stem. We're gonna cut it in a few pieces, and then we're gonna cook it in a broth. So we're gonna flavor the broth with this the flavor of artichoke. Then we're gonna peel the artichoke and come to reach almost to the heart, where it's nice and soft. The outside leaves are a little bit rough. So we just take out about 3 or 4 layers out. Then we're gonna clean up the edge, the bottom part, with a knife. Then we're gonna cut off the head of the artichoke because these are really pokey and not very good to eat. Then we're gonna open the heart of the artichoke and we're gonna prepare the special stuffing with bread, pecorino cheese, garlic, pepper, egg, and a little bit of basil. We're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice so we stop the oxidization process of the artichoke so it won't turn black.
In same part, bread and cheese. This is a blend of Parmigiano and Pecorino, but if you want, you can use just Parmigiano. A little bit of garlic, chopped fine. Black pepper. No salt, because the pecorino is very salty. A little bit of basil. And eggs. We start in the middle, and after we continue in between the leaves. In the vegetable stock, boiled, and now we cover, and the artichoke is cooked in 20 minutes, medium-low heat.
This is the carciofo cacio uovo. So basically, it's an artichoke soup with this cacio uovo stuffing based with bread and eggs. Very warm, heartwarming, kind of like a make you feel good, kind of a sort of a soup. This recipe is available on abruzzocibus.com under recipes. You will find every measurements and every cooking time available on the website.